All right, guys, we are back in Buffalo Gap. It's Sunday, but it's literally day one. Yesterday I set up and then it started hailing and raining on me, so I packed up real quick and headed home. So we're back out here this morning. We've got a couple door stops. We've got different lodges. We got Sam the Cooking Guy skillet. Some more lodges there, a lot of decorative stuff. We got some black locks and we got some older stuff. And run back over here, we got an old lodge back in the corner. Got some Crescents, some Wagners. Got some Griswolds. Got a Volrath over there. Got Pilo Go. Got a deep fat fryer. Got a breakfast skillet. We'll come over here. We've got a hot pot sukiyaki pan, which is cool to say, but man, that thing is pretty. Got some Turkids, got, I can't remember what this, I think it was tempura. Yep, tempura pot. Got a couple bakers, got a Pampered Chef. These were actually made by Lodge. And then got a Bayou Classic, got a big wok back there. Got a dinosaur that needs to eat, you can see his bones. Got a Wagner Square. Then we got the Dutch ovens, we've got assorted lodges. And, we got the chef one, we've got the double Dutch, then we've got the fryer combo, and then we have a black log. Then we have a big Camp Chef square Dutch oven, big old Texas trivet. Somebody took and painted a little picture on this one. That turned out pretty cool. Got a Perini brazier. Let's see. Yeah, this is a Drew Barrymore. It's called Beautiful. It is a really pretty piece. Got an Acorn Dutch oven. Then we got the Perini 4-in-1 piece. Then we got a Stobe grill. Then we got a really old Wagner. It's the straight logo. I'll pick the lid up in a second. And then we've got this fryer right here. It's got a tray to do turkeys. You can do boils in it, or you can take it, use it to fry, and then make fries and hush puppies and all that stuff. But this is it, guys. Oh, let's go to the middle real quick. Just a couple of grills. Got a couple of camp ovens. That one's kind of cool. It's the Yellowstone. Got a really old spittoon. But just assorted stuff to put out front to see if we could sell some. But we're set up, and weather's supposed to be really pretty. So we'll see how it goes. Hope everybody has a great day.